to myToyS TV. Today we're going to be opening U.S. Army toys. U.S. Army Defense Bunker. Official licensed product of the U.S. Army. Then, do you need me to read this whole thing?
Yeah, sure, you can read it.
Strong in mind, body, and soul, U.S. Army soldiers protect us and all of the U.S. Constitution stands for. Their ability stems from U.S. Army training to think, to act, and to live by values and creed that lets each other feel proud to be a part of a team. Learn more about what it means to be a U.S. Army soldier at www.goarmy.com. Now let's open it. We have spent too much time reading. Tape. Do you need this box? Why?
We try to keep it in pop-up race later on. If you want to give it out, we can give it out the toy with the box. You hear some sound next door.
That's my sister. I locked her in the room with my mother and my grandmother because I don't want her to make my videos poopies. That's why I did not lock herself in a room. I locked her. No, her mother locked her in. We told her to. Do you need this? Background. This. Is this a grappling hook? One soldier. One piece, two piece, three piece. Sniper wiper. A sniper wiper. Let's make this. Do you have instructions? How do I do this? How, like this? Why did I hear my grandma? How? Can you help me? This is annoying. Well, if he helps me, I'm going to help you open the guns. You can just twist it and then... Why do I hear my sister again?
She's in the bathroom taking a shower.
Taking a bath. Yay! U.S. Army Defense Bunker. Hi, I'm one of the soldiers.
Yeah, one of the soldiers, one of the GI.
Why? They're talking about masks. Masks. I don't know how to say mask properly. I say masks. Masks. Masks.
That's just a close-up of the soldier. And the bunker. Close up, close up, close up.
Just dance. Yeah! Yeah, yada, yada. Yeah, got this. This is a walkie-talkie thing.
Yeah, so
I want to lose it.
radio.
They're so small.
Yeah, these are all the weapons, right?
Oh, a machine gun, right?
Yeah, all the also weapons.
Is this a machine gun?
Kind of. M16.
What? How did you know?
When I was a kid, I learned about M16. Everybody is talking about the M16. I don't know whether they still use it or not.
My finger's clogged. Help me. Ouch! Maybe I'll get something else better.
You need me to help you?
Open all of this. I'm gonna make him hold the grappling hook for somehow. Okay, fine. This is a giant grappling hook. The grappling hooks I've seen were not that big. I've seen fake ones. So small. In Roblox. How's he gonna hold it? Maybe it will attach somewhere. Thank you for this gun. Look at this gun. It's like, is it a flare? Is it a flare gun?
I don't know.
Probably not a flare gun. What is a flare? I know what is a flare gun. It tells other soldiers or other people where you are by one shoot. Pew! It scares away stuff too. This is a thing. There's literally a dot right here that's not supposed to be there. We'll leave it on for now. Another pistol. Pistol. Is it a pistol or a pistol?
Pistol.
Pistol. Pistol. Pistol. Can I need the scissors?
You need to
Something
stay
important.
behind the bunker, right?
Why?
Because some
This
bad
is
guy.
just a wall. It's not a bunker.
The bad guy will shoot him.
Wait, what? Shit.
The communists will shoot him.
Shoot.
The American soldiers fight for the freedom of the people of the world, right?
They pray? What? Oh, it's nothing. Should my grandmother opening it, trying to disturb us. I'm gonna show you guys all the guns. There's so many stuff.
Want a close up of the guns?
Not yet. The first one is the grappling hook and other stuff and grenades. Do you hear my mom saying water? This is water to my sister because she's taking a bath. Look at this. It's a little mini pouch. It has grenades, a grappling hook, and binoculars, and a thing that you look in, close in your eye and you see closer stuff. This is a what and what?
I don't know what's that. Somebody knows about
You
it.
said it was a M something.
M16, I thought. But I have no idea. I never...
M16.
I'm
Bang,
not
bang,
expert.
bang, bang,
Yeah,
bang.
yeah. It's an auto.
This is a big
Oh,
gun.
this is maybe them.
This is also the M16's mom's. No need to go faster, bro. Now this is the pistol mom. This is a walkie-talkie. There's only one. This is a pistol. This is also a pistol. Bye. See you on the next part of the video. I mean the next... Bye!